Now we have arrived at the Participants tab. Next to the Challenge Creation page, this is one of the most important tabs in Challenger Pro. This is where you manage and monitor every participant across all of your challenges. In the upper right corner, you will see the Active Participants metric box. This shows the total number of people currently participating across all of your challenges. This page is built to help you find exactly who you are looking for, fast. You can search participants by username or by the tags you create for them. You can also filter the list by different participant states, including all participants, active participants, participants who have not started yet, and participants who have recently completed a challenge. You can also sort participants based on what matters most to you. For example, you can sort by their progress, their engagement level, the total points they have accumulated, or the last time they were active. Now let's look at what each participant banner shows you. Just like the leaderboard, you will see their avatar, their username, and their current status. Under that, you will see their last active date. On the right side of the banner, you will see their overall progress. This progress reflects how far they are across all challenges they have joined. For example, if someone has joined multiple challenges and is halfway through their overall journey, you might see 50% progress. Next, you will see their engagement score. This is an aggregate score based on their activity and participation. It gives you a quick signal for how engaged they are in their challenge journey. Finally, you will see the total points they have earned across all challenges so far. Now here is where it gets powerful. When you click on the participant's badge, you open the participant details modal. This gives you a full breakdown of that member's stats and activity. Inside the modal, you will see their active challenges, their completed challenges, their stage points, their achievement points, their total points, the number of achievements they have completed, their average completion percentage, and their engagement score. Below that, you will see recent activity. This gives you a detailed record of what the participant has been doing. You will see stages they completed, and you will also see their proof workflow history. That includes when proof was submitted, approved, or in some cases rejected for additional information. And finally, you have notes and tags. This section lets you leave customized notes on any member in your Whop, and it lets you create tags for categories of participants. For example, you can tag people who came from a specific promotion, an ad campaign, or a collaboration with an influencer in your niche. Those tags will also show on the participant's badge for quick and easy reference. This is one of those features you do not realize you need until you have it. Because once your community starts growing, managing participants without a system like this becomes messy fast. With the Participants tab, you have a clear, organized view of engagement, progress, and proof activity across your entire ecosystem, which makes it easier to support your members, improve your challenges, and ultimately generate more results and more revenue.